What is up, guys? It's the Bitcoin Baron back at you guys again with another video. Today we're making a video on the mathematics behind why Bitcoin will theoretically go up forever. So the Bitcoin halving. If you guys don't know what this is, I'd imagine you do if you know what Bitcoin is, but some people might not. So the Bitcoin halving reduces the new Bitcoin supply. This is the only asset in existence with this metric of supply diminishing over a certain period of time. This supply or this halving is programmed for the next 100 or so years in the code of Bitcoin. So this is gonna make true digital and monetary scarcity over time. Historically, after the halving, the price surges because there's less selling pressure on the market because less coins are being minted every day or mined every day, and this increases scarcity and boosts demand. Bitcoin's scarcity as a value driver. So Bitcoin has a fixed supply, as you may know, 21 million coins. That's as many as there will ever be. And now we're around, I think we're about like 92 to 93% of them have been mined as of now. And by 2032, 99.8% of all Bitcoins in existence will be mined. They will be available, and they will probably be held by people like me that aren't going to sell. So eventually we're going to get to the point where very, very small amounts of Bitcoin are going to be open on the market every day. And in contrast with unlimited fiat currency, so fiat currency is obviously, fiat currency divided by, however much you print. So it's like there's no value to fiat currency because we just keep consistently printing more, and that's what's causing Bitcoin's price to surge, because fiat currency is doomed to fail. Scarcity mirrors precious metals like gold, but it is actually more scarce. Well, as of this halving, it will be, and it will continually diminish it'll continually grow with scarcity. Global liquidity in Bitcoin. Most people don't know this. A lot of people don't, surprisingly, but the Bitcoin halving is a true catalyst for Bitcoin. The halving always pumps Bitcoin or whatever. That's what everybody says. But the true thing that pumps Bitcoin and the true thing that makes these cycles is the global liquidity. The global liquidity has a 3.5. It's usually 3.5 year cycles. It's similarly intertwined with the halving. So people tend to think it's the halving that actually pumps the price. I think that the global liquidity is what really moves the Bitcoin price up every 3.5, 4 years, because it's somewhat correlated with the halving. It's just how it is. But I think this is the big catalyst, which always moves Bitcoin because there's more money on the market and more money able to flow into Bitcoin. Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation. People are starting to also see this as a hedge, and they're starting to get into it slowly. And the last thing. So this is the very, very important part of this presentation. So pretty much the inevitable demise of fiat currencies. The reason in the mathematics behind Bitcoin going up forever is this. All fiat currencies in the history of mankind have failed. Every single one of them. There has not been a single fiat currency in global history that has survived for the test of time. And when I say Bitcoin will theoretically go up forever, I'm talking in terms of dollars, because that's what it's measured in. It's in terms of US dollars or whatever dollars you're in, or pounds or whatever. These currencies are doomed to fail. They always fail. There's no chance they don't, because we have to print more and they're going to lose value over time. The numbers actually, the US dollar loses 99% of its value over 100 years, like 90 years, something like that. So at this rate, it's obviously going to get worse because we're printing significantly more money. The US dollar is not going to last for very long, and these other currencies aren't going to last for very long. And history always repeats itself, and it might not repeat, but it does rhyme. So fiat currency, whatever people think, American dollars are somewhat strong. They're a strong currency, global currency, whatever. They're not going to last forever. They're just not. It's theoretically impossible. You can't keep printing a currency, trillions and trillions of dollars, and expect it to last. It just does not work. You can look at Argentina, Venezuela. It does not work. And these countries are slowly moving over towards Bitcoin because they understand how this works and how the Federal Reserve works and how mathematics work. And theoretically, with this in mind and the inevitable fall of every single fiat currency in history and in existence, every single fiat currency will fail. That theoretically means that Bitcoin will go up forever. That is my hypothesis, and I hope that you guys took a lot of information from this video. Some people may disagree, some people may agree, but I hope that you guys have a good day, and thank you guys for watching. If you guys like the video, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.